Hi everyone, so today we are going to do tens on a grid and we will learn what a grid is. So this diagram here that we see right here, this is known as a grid. Every grid has 100 tiny squares and it is all divided into 4 quadrants. Or these quadrants could be called 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every quadrant or every part, like this part here, has 25 squares. Quadrant 2 would also have 25, quadrant 3, 25, and also quadrant 4. So when you add up all of these quadrants, you have a total of 100 squares. So now if you count the rows, every grid would have 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And also it would also have 10 columns. Now here we can see there is an array made here, and we know how to count our columns. So we can see 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows, and we know when we count from here, we can see the array is made from here, from the starting of the grid to the end. So there must be 10 columns. Either we can count our columns, 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30, or we can write it in our math equation, 3 rows multiplied by 10, and we know is 30, or we can write 3 rows of 10. So now for our homework, we can see thinking about tens. Mark and label the dimensions of each of these grids to represent the multiplication equation above it. Color in the array and complete the equation. The first one is done for you. So let's see at the first one. Our mathematical equation is 4 multiplied by 10. Here we can see that our columns are 4, and there's 4 written here, and we have 4 rows here, and then we have 10 columns here. So 4 rows of 10. And then we can see it's written in the multiplication equation or our math problem. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40. So let's do a new one. 6 multiplied by 10. So 6 is our rows. You have 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are our 6 rows. And then we have 10 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns. And so we have 6 rows of 10. And then we can shade, like color all of this, which shows our rows and columns. And then we can solve and see how many total in all. So we have 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we add all 6 tens, we know we have 60. 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. So you have B and C to do. And then number 2 is some revision for your multiplication. So I'll talk to you.